Alright, well this is the new 301 by Accuratus. I've been told that there are a couple changes from the last and current model, so I'm excited to see what they are. If I can actually open the box, that'd be nice. Where's the... Oh wow! It's just the new wireless one. This might be a first-hand look at the new wireless 301s. They still have that signature like silent click. I love these about the 301. BT1, BT2, 2.4G. So I'm guessing these are the new... It might be multimedia. Oh, it is. Ah. I like that. So they've put a tiny little bit of Velcro, if you can see that. Tiny little bit of Velcro. And then... Oh wow. That's easy portability. I like that. I'll put that to the side. Let's have a little, see how it feels. It's very stable. I quite like this. This is nice. Need some batteries. I like that though. I like the fact that it's wireless. This is going to be a lovely keyboard. Might have to see if I can get one.